John Kavakis here for My Take, and today I want to talk to you about the DeAgostini subscription program. Now, if you saw video number one, you know that they're bringing a series of cars over from Europe. They were known as Parts Work series. Something that's going on over there for a long time, and we get our first taste of it here through a subscription program that DeAgostini is running, and they're doing a pretty good job of it. It's a great series of cars. Most of them are muscle cars, but there's a few others sprinkled in through there just to keep things interesting. All the models are die-cast, a little bit of ABS plastic here and there. And you can find all the details at DeAgostini.com. I'll put that right up here in the corner for you to take a look at. So I've got box number 2. You saw box number 1. I haven't worked into the bonus models yet. That'll come with box number 3. But in this box, we've got a 1963 Stingray Z06. We got a 1978 Challenger RT440. Got a 1978 Camaro Z28. I'm sorry, 1970 Camaro Z28. 1977 Trans Am. So we're going to open up this box and take a look at it. So you can see it comes nicely packed. It's a relatively small package. We managed to get a lot in there. Not a lot of tape on it. They're obviously experienced at shipping. Inside, the first thing we see are the magazines. Tell you about those in just a second or so. And then there are the models. Now, I think the packing could be a little bit better, but actually they've done a fairly decent job given how much they charge for their packing. So some of these are bubble wrapped. Some of them are in the little cardboard cases. We'll take a look at those in just a second. But they've actually put some thought into it, and I think it's relatively secure. Certainly I haven't received any damaged models yet, so they obviously know what they're doing as far as packing is concerned. And we always have to take into consideration the price point. So there are the 4 models in box number 2. And these are the magazines. The magazines are really nice. They've done a great job in the magazine. A lot of background, a lot of great pictures in it. Let's take a look at the individual models in the package. So the first one is a 1963 Corvette Stingray Z06 package. This is a faithful model. It's really well done. Trim around the windows, the louvers in the grille, well picked out. Excellent badging. The wheels are just little gems. They've done a great job on this. The gas cap in the back is even fantastic. It's a nice model. Second one is a 1970 Camaro RS. Z28. I love this. It's got the RS front end with the split bumpers. The wheels are really well replicated. Nice white leather tires. The stripes on it. Again, badging is fantastic. Trim around the windows. It's to scale. Grille could be a little bit better, but it's a nice model. This one is a 1970 Dodge Challenger 440 6-pack. And I'll tell you something, it's a beautiful model. It's got the hood tie-downs. It looks really great. The wheels, the badging, the striping and everything, they just nailed this one. It's a really good-looking car. Real taillights and everything. I think it's one of the best models I've seen yet. And the last one is a 1977 Trans Am. It's got a Smokey and the Bandit vibe. I think they've done another great job on this one. The pinstriping is very well handled. T-tops are picked out. The bird on the hood looks fantastic. Again, really, really well done wheels. Nice grille, great depth. Interior detail is fantastic. Very nice model. I think they've done a good job on this. The models are running somewhere around $18, $19 a piece. As you can see, they're well done. Some of them are a little spotty here and there, but I think the really well done ones make up for it. There's some great detail, great graphics. The finish is pretty good. All of the trim, some of it is silver painted, but they've done a good job with that as well. So my suggestion is, if you like muscle cars, I'd sign up for the program. It's at DeAgostini.com. You can do /US/, it'll take you right to the American Car Series. And I like what I've seen so far. I'm looking forward to the next box, number 3, which would have my first bonus car in it. Now, and from what I understand, I got this box in a timely fashion. The number 3 box is right behind it. So timing might be a little bit of an issue there, but still the deals are there. This whole box of cards cost me $60.87. Again, that's pretty good for 4 models. We're looking somewhere around $15 to $17 or so. For me, you can't be beat as far as value and everything. It's certainly there. And again, if you're a fan of muscle cars, you're going to love these. So this is my take on the DeAgostini box number 2. Thanks for tuning in. And you know, if you like the video, I'm going to ask you to hit the like button down there. I'd love to hear your comments. I try to respond to them as quickly as possible. Comments kind of help the channel, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again sometime real soon.